much to do when all I can.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. This is me showing my undone hair. I really wanted to undo this hair, so before that I did my nails. After doing my nails, I proceeded to undoing my hair, which took me about 2 hours to undo this hair. I took my things off the line, folded them, put them away, then cleared the things on the chaotic table. I ate sanku with shito and fish. This is the following day. I woke up hungry. I made myself some breakfast. I made myself some apple flavored black tea with bread with peanut butter spread in. To that, I bought some water to go and bath and wash my hair. Also, I'm taking out my shampoo and conditioner. So this is me washing my hair. I used the Darling 3-in-1 to wash the first one. Then I used some product. I don't know the exact name. I'll just put the name there. So after washing, I proceeded to divide my hair in sections and put my conditioner. This is me done with washing the hair. Use these products, proceeded to dry it. I wanted to comb my hair and air dry, but I couldn't do it, so I adopted this technique. I just parted my hair into small sections, comb them out, then dry them. After drying my hair, put it together. So I did it section by section until I was able to detangle my hair completely and dry it out. Then I ate rice with palava sauce. This is the following day. I tried to do this wig that I have. I wanted to put curls at the end, which didn't work. This is what I did. After that, I went to wash. This wouldn't be me without washing or cleaning, so I proceeded to clean my room, sweeping and mopping, doing all that good stuff. After cleaning, I just made some gobe to eat, so I'm proceeding to fry some fried plantain whilst my pre-cooked beef. Move on to the palm oil, which is used to mix everything together. Wash the utensils. After that, I cleaned my stove. I really hate a dirty stove. Then I did my skincare. It was a maintenance day for me. I did a face wash, a scrub and a mask, and after that I washed it off, put on my treatments and moisturizer. So this my friend wanted me to teach her how to do makeup, so I gladly taught her. We just did a very simple, very simple look. After that, I went to eat my gobe. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next one. Bye bye.